You will get this spacious living and dining area where you will be getting two parallel platforms, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project IKEAM by Today Royal Group located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And right behind this is also the actual land parcel of the project where the construction is in full swing. This over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that will have 4 towers with ground plus 14 stories having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, and also multiple Jodi options are available. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities with clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging track, multipurpose hall, gym, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Upper Kharghar, Rohijan, from where NH48 is only at a distance of 5 minutes drive. We have 2 metro stations nearby that is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, you have Navi Mumbai Airport at the distance of 25 minutes drive. Also, you have upcoming metro station at a distance of 2 minutes drive that will connect you to Kalyan. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we are standing outside the 4.5 BHK of IKEAM. This 4.5 BHK is a Jodi of 2 plus 2. This 4.5 BHK is also spread across the carpet area of 1180 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. As you can see, the living is very spacious to place your large size sofas, center tables. You can customize your large TV unit and you will get plenty of walkable area left even after placing all your furniture. In this corner, you can place your dining table of 8 to 10 people very easily to enjoy mealtime with your family. And right in front of the dining, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. Also, you will be getting full French windows in the kitchen, and you have space provided to place your refrigerator as well. Moving forward, you will also be getting a balcony in the living. You will be getting full French windows, and as you can see, the balcony is very spacious. You can easily place your tea tables and tea chairs to enjoy tea time with your family. And as I said, this 4.5 BHK is a Jodi of 2 plus 2. So if you drop down this wall, this will be 2 BHK and 2 BHK. Moving forward, right near to the kitchen, we have a utility area. And next to the kitchen, we have a common bedroom. As you can see, the bedroom is spacious enough to place your bed, side tables. You can customize your wardrobes over here. And also you will be getting full French windows in this common bedroom. Moving forward, next to our first common bedroom is our first master bedroom, where you will get a foyer area at the entrance. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with the side tables, customize your wardrobes. and you will have plenty of walkable space even after placing all the needful things in the bedroom. You will also be getting full French windows in this bedroom. And over here, near the entrance, you have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Let's move forward, and as I said, this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, over here, we have a common washroom that is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right in front of the common washroom, we have the 0.5 area that you can customize as your study room, as a gaming room, or totally as per your choice. Moving forward, over here we have a second common bedroom that is spacious enough to place your bed, side tables, and customize your wardrobe. You will also be getting full French windows in this bedroom. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let me enter to the largest master bedroom of this 4.5 BHK. As we enter, you saw you had a foyer area, and to the left of the entrance we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king-size bed, side tables, customize your wardrobe. You can also customize your makeup corner or your study corner over here, and you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom as well. So this was the 4.5 BHK sample flat tour of project IKEAM, which was the Jodi of 2+2. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 4.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project IKEAM by Today Royal Group located in Kharghar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.